feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe.
My name is Eva Kapuma. I am a practicing advocate. According to the laws of Uganda, we all know that Dr. Besigye and Chope both qualify for mandatory bail. We therefore call upon the judiciary of Uganda to go ahead and grant their application because it is provided for under the law.
Grant Besigye bail, grant Obeid bail, grant all political prisoners bail.
Off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
As advocates of the High Court, as officers of the court, which is supposed to dispense justice, it's our noble duty to demand that everyone gets a fair trial and a fair hearing within the Constitution. So it's the demand that all the applications which have been filed for Dr. Kizza Besigye, for Machete and group to be handled immediately by the judiciary so that they can get their liberty and a fair trial.
Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve.
We are tired of judicial complicity in the political persecution of Besigye, Rutare and other political prisoners. That's why us as a legal team, Kiiza, Eron and my comrades, we are launching this grant Besigye and Rutare bail campaign starting from today. If the judiciary had balls, if the judiciary had integrity, if the judiciary was serious, including Kenya, who found that Besigye and Rutare had met all conditions for the grant of bail, Besigye and Rutare wouldn't be in detention, and many other political prisoners would be free if it were not for the slowness, incompetence, cowardice, or other inefficiencies of the judiciary. The continued detention, the continued judicial harassment, the continued political persecution of this duo and other political prisoners falls squarely on the shoulders of our judiciary.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Fellow countrymen and women, there is a forest behind me here. Museveni and colleagues, including sadly Besigye, the one I'm happening to advocate for today, went to the bush, but we are not violent. We are lawyers. And we are saying we are frustrated. Yes, we are angry. 40 years of the Museveni rule, we see a lot of injustice at its near end. What are we saying? That bail and its grant, yes, is by the discretion of the courts. But the law as we have read it at undergraduate, graduate level and those in practice is not making any sense anymore. We are calling on the Chief Justice to work with the High Court and have us a hearing date as soon as immediately so that Haji Rutare, Besigye and other political prisoners are given their day in court. The grant of bail for Besigye is a matter that should have been settled many months ago. The sphere of silence maintained by the lawyers, the political class, tomorrow it will be their mothers, their cousins and their brothers who will be in the condition of Besigye. And I can assure every Ugandan that the rulers of this country and anyone called anybody, when you are in trouble tomorrow, we are the same people who are going to come and defend you in these courts.
I'm going through hell, I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're.
My name is Rebecca. I'm a lawyer, and I'm here today to join other well-meaning Ugandans to demand for the release of Dr. Kizza Besigye and Haji Lutale and all other political prisoners. As we all well know, that Judge Kanya denied Kizza Besigye and Lutale their bail, despite that they fulfilled all the conditions, and that's unfair. That's an abuse of the Constitution, but also their rights. And we call on all, especially our colleagues in the legal fraternity, to consider this very seriously. We need to rise up and to demand that we restore the rule of law in our institutions, and that in so doing, Ugandans are sure that their rights can be respected.
I send you greetings, and I am called Katoto Msing, one of the lawyers that fight for human rights, freedoms in this country, East Africa, and Africa as a whole. I join the rest of my colleagues as the legal team for Dr. Besigye and Haji to call for the hearing of his bail application and for Dr. Besigye and Haji to be released on bail, because they qualify for mandatory bail, and that is the constitutionally guaranteed right that you must assert, that you must send a message to everybody that is interested in fighting for the good cause, that is interested in seeing the Constitution and the other laws recognized, upheld, promoted, and also protected. We send our message. Our message is clear, and I call upon all Ugandans to come up to fight, to send a message to the judiciary of Uganda so that they can be independent, they can have their authority, they can assertively protect, promote, and uphold the constitutional rights and freedoms as guaranteed by the 1995 Constitution. We shall fight until everybody succeeds in this country, until the rule of law is respected, honored, and guaranteed. We must protect it before it's too late for the law to protect us.
Greetings, countrymen and women. My name is Namara Claire. I'm an activist, and today I join all the lawyers in Uganda demanding and standing in solidarity with Dr. Kizza Besigye and Haj Obeid Lutale, including all other political prisoners, demanding for their freedom because they've been in illegal detention for a very long time. I stand with all the human rights defenders, and we urge the judiciary to do its work and grant Dr. Kizza Besigye bail and all other political prisoners. Thank you.
Fellow Ugandans, how are you? This is not a normal where we do work, but we are here as lawyers who represent Dr. Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale, claiming for their release now on bail. This constitution was made, and we remember the history from where we came from to have this constitution in place. But the authorities have taken all once to do away with the constitutional provisions, including the mandatory bail. It is so unfortunate, but we call upon every Ugandan to join this struggle so that we can have Dr. Besigye and Haji Obeid Lutale and other political prisoners released. A mandatory bail is a constitutional right. court have totally ignored our applications for bail. This is a total abuse of the Constitution. Colleagues, let all of us join this struggle. We fight for our Constitution before it is too late. I thank you.